Hi, this is Stu, Stu's Reviews. This is my small collection of Commodore 64 games. So you've got Army Moves, Rambo, Green Beret, Top Gun and a Great Escape on there. Favourites are probably Green Beret and Rambo on that. By the way, that's the Last Ninja music in the background because I'm booting that up at the moment. Paperboy, classic game. Another classic, some fantastic music, Ghosts and Goblins, and another brilliant game, Iridium, a Commando, everyone loves that for the music, and the best one, Last Ninja 2. Yeah, it's in the background. So that's my small collection of Commodore 64 games, and I hope we get some more at some point. Goodbye.